Good morning, I'm Dr. Suman, the chairman of the scientific committee. Well, today I think we are doing this virtual conference because of the pandemic, and we all know that the pandemic has taught us a lot of things like lockdown and all those things. Keeping that in mind, our theme of this conference is unlocking the diabetes treatment actually. In this, we are trying to concentrate more over the clinical aspects, and probably trying to put in a lot of efforts in making sure that we just try and bring in some sort of practical aspects in the management of the diabetes. We are trying to unlock the newer treatments in the field of diabetes. So kindly be with us till the end of the conference and enjoy this. I would also like to say that in this conference, we are trying to give 3 orations. Actually, first oration is Dr. C. Munchudappa oration, which has been awarded to Dr. Arun Wadhvi sir, and next being Dr. C. Srinivas Murthy orations, which has been awarded to Manjunath Alur, and we got Vinaya and Nadgoda lectures, which has been awarded to Dr. Amar Puttanna. In fact, in this conference, we are trying to have a lot of international speakers as well, speaking about diabetes and dementia, talking about something about newer classification of diabetes, and we also have something like biosimilars insulins, what has been really we are supposed to know about it. A lot of things has been discussed in this conference, so kindly make sure that we all stay back and probably listen to all this and probably learn a lot from this. Just also wish to mention that just keeping in the current scenario and situation, we really trying to make sure that the COVID things are also really discussed, something like a COVIDology, talking about more about COVID, what exactly the treatment has to be there, and what are the precautions we need to mention. Everything has been taken care of, and now I would like to invite our secretary, Dr. Manohar, K. N. Manohar, to just give us a few insights on things. Thank you.